Number 4. Digital products. Digital products are the ultimate time cheat. Do the work once, and they keep paying you for months, even years. It's the kind of hustle where your creativity becomes a silent employee that never takes a day off. Think templates, planners, eBooks, or even stock photos. These things might sound small, but people buy them every single day. Teacher looks for printable planners. A business owner wants branded templates. A student downloads a budget tracker, or a content creator needs aesthetic stock images. There's always demand. You just have to find your corner of it. Start with one thing people actually need. Maybe it's a finance tracker for students, a digital vision board, or a fitness guide that's easy to follow. Then create it using free tools like Canva, PowerPoint, or if you're advanced, Photoshop. You don't need to be a designer, just clean, functional, and useful. Then comes the fun part, selling it. Upload your product to Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own mini store. Set a simple price, $5, $10, or $20, and let it run. The magic? You can sell it again and again without ever touching it. One digital planner could bring in $50 to $500 a month on repeat. And here's a smart move, bundle them. A single planner sells okay, but a bundle, planner, budget sheet, and goal tracker makes customers feel they're getting more for their money. It's value stacking at its finest. So while others are trading time for money, you're building little digital assets that work 24/7. You sleep, they sell. You go out, they sell. That's passive income in real life, and it starts with one idea and a few clicks. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.